Welcome to the 100th public installation of the elected and appointed officers of the Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77. And we also congratulate our Worshipful Master-elect, Brother Paul Sylvester Chan.
In Freemasonry, harmony is a value that encourages members to celebrate differences. Freemasonry teaches us that harmony is not about erasing differences, but about celebrating them under a shared commitment to higher principles.
That was disability. It is what I have with for my whole life. I had accepted what my
So, for my experience as Master Mason, malaki na itulong sa akin ito. Unang-una, making men better. Naging mabuti aking buhay at sa aking pakikisama sa kapwa akong mga kuyang.
These are the regulations of free and accepted Masons, and to these, your assent must be freely given.
All we ask is that for your support in 2024, may we humbly ask continued support for 2025. We promise support as well for Freemasonry, our district, and of course, our Mother Lodge.
I will now install you, Worshipful Master of Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77. Very Worshipful Master of Ceremonies, reconduct him in front of the East.
Unang-una, bilang isang senior warden, tutulungan ko ang aking Worshipful Master sa pagbibigay ng mga instructions sa ating mga kapatiran. At ganun din, kung ano yung tinatadhana sa amin, tutuparin namin yan.
It is indeed a great honor to be here in front of you to be introducing a fellow brother who will share good thoughts, can inspire us to move on in our life, to be great once again, and to be a man for others.
Brethren, attend tayo lagi parati sa stated meeting natin. Pasayahin natin ulit ang Kasilawan. And see you.
Freemasonry taught me to grow. I can bury myself to my past, not the other.
Heartfelt thanks to my beloved brethren of Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77 for the trust and confidence you have bestowed upon me.
Ang aming Worshipful Master, very silent yan, pero worker. Matulungin sa kapwa at sa mga kapatiran at sa mga kapatid niya. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat at nakilala ko ang aking Worshipful Master at pinapangako ko po ang aking buong pusong suporta sa aming Worshipful Master, Worshipful Brother Paul Chan.
Thank you for allowing the lodge to not just survive, but to thrive at least in our hearts. Thank you also for the members who have actively attended and or supported.
Sa mga Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77, brethren, patuloy po tayong maglakbay patungo sa ating tagumpay. Patuloy po tayong palakasin ang ating samahan. Sinasabi nga, harmony being the strength and support of all societies, especially of ours.
May the great architect of the universe bless and guide us throughout the Masonic year and for the years to come. Mabuhay ang Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77. Mabuhay tayong lahat.